Hello, my dear warriors. It seems that JEE Mains results are not just out, but also they are coming up with a shocker. Just let me know if I'm audible and visible to all of you. And I have been getting reports that, students are really stressed out about the marks versus the percentile. You expected something, but it came out to be something else. Is that true? Is that what you're also experiencing? Just let me know in the chat box. Yes, or looks like it. So I'll tell you what are the different kinds of results that I have seen of all the students before I proceed. Like I have seen a student who got 240, 230 marks, but they have got 99 percentile. There is also one student who got around 160 marks and got 96 percentile. That's shocking. 160 marks, 96 percentile. There was a student who got 140 marks and he got 87 percentile. There is a student who got 170 marks and got 96 percentile. So, these are very shocking. I don't know whether to even say good morning anymore because NTA, first of all, ruined our day yesterday. All of us were waiting for the results and we didn't study. I mean, I was seeing the mood of the students in the class also. Many of you were not interested in studies because you are obviously anxious and it's human tendency. You cannot say, no, go study. Your mind won't allow unless you're a superhuman or you have your mind in control. That's another thing. Also, one more problem which I'm seeing is that the cutoffs might increase like crazy, and somebody is also saying, sir, I got 110 marks and 80 percentile. There was a student who was expecting 85 percentile, but now they have got 65 percentile. So whatever has happened is really unfortunate. So I'll tell you what are the ways in which you can get over it. Is there some solution to it? What should we do ahead now? Okay, so first of all, understand that these results probably may not change. Yes, if you are wondering why, let's understand it with a simple example. Please listen to me coolly, listen to me calmly, and only then decide whatever I'm saying, is it right or wrong, okay? And let me know about it. See, imagine a situation where there are like 100 students, okay, in a batch or in a shift, and out of that, some are good, some are medium, some are not able to score well. So if it is a balanced distribution of students, then yeah, maybe around 90, 89 percentile, the cutoff should be there, all right? And some good students will be there about 90 percentile, some average students, below average students might be there below 90 percentile. But imagine in a particular shift, all the toppers happen to write the exam. Just imagine all like really good students who are prepared really well enter your shift. Then what will happen if you are an average student? Your percentiles will go down automatically. And imagine a shift where there are hardly any toppers or hardly any good students, all below average students. Then even a student scoring 100 marks will get a very good percentile, maybe 94 percentile also. But in a shift where all toppers are present, a student who has scored 100 marks will get very low percentile. Did you understand now? What did I just say? Everybody with me? If you understood it, smash the like button so that I can see it as your feedback. Yes. Did you understand what I just said? Very good. Second problem is that whenever you have a shift wise, separation, segregation, what happens is that it's very difficult to maintain that uniformity. I'll tell you why also. Whatever questions were kind of repeated, whatever questions were given in the first few shifts got repeated in the later on shifts. If you notice, questions were not just directly repeated, but also the pattern of the questions was repeated. So as you proceed ahead, by the time you reached 29th, 1st Feb and all of that, the paper was almost predictable. Okay, maths is 100% going to be difficult. Physics is going to be easy. Organic is going to be tricky. Chemistry is also easy. Physics is formula based. Maths have lengthy questions, but doable questions. They are tricky but difficult, short. So all this analysis was wide in the open, so it becomes easier for the later on shifts to score, because the pattern, distribution, the important topics are roughly the same. So the point is that it is very difficult to ensure uniformity in multiple shifts. That's the second parameter at play over here. First parameter I told you, it's relative grading. So it's unfortunate if you had toppers in your shift, and then your percentile will go down. Third problem which has happened today is that there were more applicants, more registrations than ever before. Earlier there used to be like 6 to 7 lakh students appearing for JEE Mains. This time it was 12 lakh. Not just that, highest ever percentage of students have attended the sessions. Imagine 100 students register, maybe 90 students will actually enter the exam. This time it was close to 95%. So that means students were very serious about it. Okay, also take the clue from last year, 2023. I don't know how many of you saw that JEE Advanced analysis, but in the JEE Advanced 2023 paper, what happened is, if roughly 250,000 students get cleared from mains and are eligible to write advanced, highest ever percentage of students wrote the JEE Advanced paper. You know why? Because they didn't want to take chance. They didn't want to take drop. They are like, let me clear it off this time only. So the competition in advanced was really high. That means the same trend has also continued and spilled over in the January attempt. Most of the students are like, I want to get it done with in the January attempt. I don't want to wait for April attempt. And students have given their best in the January attempt. That's what I feel. So the competition has increased and students are not taking a second chance. They don't want to. I mean, they will probably register for April attempt. I'm not saying they won't register, but they want to clear it off in the first attempt, because there are so many exams right now for engineering. CUET, BITSAT, EMSAT, local CUET, COMEDK, right? You have your other exams for triple IT, ISI exam. So many exams are there right now. So you want to be clear during those months. You don't want to bother about JEE Mains. Also advanced is there. And hardly you get any gap from your board exams to April attempt. So what is the solution for this? First of all, let's wait and see if NTA is going to correct anything. Chances are less than 50%. Number one. Number two, everybody, are you understanding what I'm saying? Are you following till this point? Give me a thumbs up by smashing the like button. Give me a thumbs up by smashing the like button. What are the solutions for this marks versus percentile disparity? These results have been shocking. There are very high marks and low percentile. I also got to know 99 percentile, like for, if you take some shifts, it's gone to 230 marks, 99 percentile, 230 marks. That's crazy. I've not heard something like that before. 99 for 230. And there are some shifts where 99 percentile has gone to 150. So 31st Jan shift, 31st Jan, 1st Feb morning, 31st Jan evening, 31st Jan morning. These shifts, the marks are very low. That means the cutoffs of these shifts, 31st Jan morning, 31st Jan evening, 1st Feb morning, and also 1st Feb evening. These shifts expect the cutoffs to be very, very low. Expect the cutoffs to be very, very low, because the 99 percentile is only between 150 marks to 170 marks. If you are in 27th Jan morning or evening, or 29th Jan morning or evening, or these 2 days, then the cutoffs will be very high. If you are on 30th Jan morning or evening, the cutoffs will be medium. I'll repeat my analysis again. 27th Jan and 29th Jan, whether morning or night or evening, your cutoffs will be very high. If you're 28th if you are 30th Jan, your cutoffs will be medium. If you are 31st or 1st Feb, then your cutoffs will be very low. Okay, so that is how the cutoffs will be. For 30th Jan, the cutoffs is going to be medium. Only for 27th and 29th, the cutoffs is going to be very, very high. So the cutoffs can go up to 130 to 140 marks. It's crazy to hear it. Yes, the cutoffs might go till 130 marks also in the 27th January, especially the morning shift. 27th January, especially the morning shift, the cutoffs can go till 130, 140 marks. If you are in the February 1st shift or 31st Jan shifts, most likely the cutoffs will go to 100 marks. Cutoffs will go most likely to 100, 110 marks. Why has this happened? Because of uneven distribution. Now, what is the solution to this? Number one solution, what I feel, is that we have to prepare for the April attempt. You have to accept the competition has become really crazy. There is no doubt about it that all the 12 lakh aspirants, maybe most of it, are actually really serious. Gone are the days where you say that, no sir, I feel all the students are low, only 1-2 lakh serious aspirants. No. Because of YouTube, because of lot of online education, you must admit that the competition has actually increased. I know many teachers in offline, I have heard this ridicule, "Arey what, you are learning from YouTube? Oh, come learn under me." They have ridiculed online education. And see, that is wrong. Nothing is great, nothing is low, nothing is above. Both online and offline educations are really good. But online education particularly caters to those students who can't afford to go to offline, who are staying in towns, villages also. Sometimes you are in a city but your teachers are not good. Sometimes you want to sit at home and study. And these students who have been studying online are doing really, really well because they really want to study. They are really aspiring bunch of students who want to prove something. And that's probably the reason why the cutoffs have gone really high. You might hate to admit it, but this is a hard fact. And if you agree with me, just put up a thumbs up emoji in the chat box. Now, if you feel that your second solution, if you feel that the percentiles are wrong, something should be corrected, please challenge it. Please challenge it. Yes, please challenge it. Please challenge it. Right away, right now. I want everybody, if the window opens up, please challenge it. That is the second thing. Third thing, which you have to do. Please don't study. Yesterday, please, what I was saying was, please don't, be disheartened. And if you are not in the mood to study, please don't study. It's okay for this particular day. Take a day off, gather yourself. If you want to cry, cry. If you want to talk, please talk. If you want to get motivated somehow, please watch a motivational movie. If you feel that, no sir, I want to sit and study, please study. But if you want to take a day off, it's perfectly okay. Yeah. Now, why is the website not working? Because all the students are checking the results now. Okay. So I'll be attaching a form link down below in the description box. It's not there right now, but I'll be attaching a link. If you feel that there should be probably one single shift, there should be multiple attempts, 2 attempts, 3 attempts, but one single shift, so that these problems don't happen, let me know in the forms which I have attached below. We will be tweeting about it. We'll be raising the issue about it. We will be calling for a lot of students to support this cause, because I feel next year this should not happen. In case you take a drop also, it should not affect you. In case your junior, your younger brother, your close relative is going to write the exam next year, I feel in a single shift, just like how it happens in NEET exam, same way, I think in a single shift, the paper should be done. Okay, you should have multiple attempts, yes, like January attempt, April attempt, maybe even May attempt, whatever, that's okay. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments, and I'll be attaching a form below. Yeah. So, uh, understand, please do not think about any other negative thoughts. Do not think about any S word. Do not think about any N negative word, please guys, because I'm telling you, your life is more worth than anything. You doing some crazy thing, you taking up a crazy step is not going to change anything for anybody else. In fact, it will affect in a negative way to your family members and your close members. So please do not do that. Also, let me tell you, if you are starting your preparation, in the description box below, I have attached, you can see there are links. One is the free test series. Just click on this link. Click on this link. This is the free test series. You can see. Please register it right now for your second attempt. Also, you can see that there is a JEE crash course where even you can learn in English, pure English batch, and it's just there for 4,000 rupees. Click on this link, and I would want you to be a part of it, because even I and the other Vedantu JEE English teachers will be a small part of it, but most of the teachers will be, you know, your amazing crash course teachers who have lot of experience in teaching students for the last few months. And this will also involve your JEE preparation, your advanced preparation, your materials, mock tests, assignments, daily practice questions, notes, study material, everything, PYQs, revision, strategy, tips. So that's your JEE crash course with board exam preparation. But if you want just the test series, click on this link. You will get the test series. You will get the test series. I want everybody to join the test series now. I know you are not in the mood to enroll into anything, but enroll it and keep, so that next time you will not forget. Next time you will not be like, oh, where was that link? Where did it go? I want to start preparing via test series. So don't do that. Please enroll in it right now. It's free of cost. Yeah. The database error is occurring because everybody's checking their results right now. So that's the reason why the site is down. I can see that on my side the site is opening. This is your JEE Mains scorecard site. I'll just press refresh. Most likely it will take a lot of time. You can see the circle going round and round. It's still not opening. So maybe the site is down for a particular reason, because many students are attempting it right now. So please watch the video from the start. I'll just repeat or summarize for all the students who are joining in late right now. The problem is that if many toppers were there in your shift, then probably your percentiles will go down. If hardly any toppers were there in your shift, then your percentiles will go up. That's the problem. It's all because of the exam being conducted shift-wise. Second problem, first few days, the paper feels difficult because you are new, but later on questions get repeated. So that's the reason why you get accustomed, you get used to the pattern, you know the difficulty, you know how to predict, and you have seen the previous shift questions. Also, the many questions got repeated in pattern or in model wise, so it becomes easier for the later on shifts. That's why you will see the cutoffs are really higher for the first 2 days, 27th and 29th Jan. Expect the cutoffs to be somewhere around 130 marks, 140 marks. But for 31st and 1st Feb, expect the cutoffs to go down as low as 100 to 110 marks. If you are in the middle days, then somewhere between 110 to 130 marks will the cutoff be for clearing mains for advanced. So that's the problem. Another problem is that, you know, probably, you know, there were a lot of bonus questions here and there, and, you know, students also have increased, you know, in number. That's the reason why the percentiles might have gone down drastically for the same marks. Number 4, I told you, because of online education and offline education working together and both of them doing their jobs, that's probably the reason why the cutoffs have gone high, because now every student is preparing really hard for the JEE attempt, and everybody wants to get it done with in the January itself, in the month of January. So now for April, if you want to improve your scores, please log in down below. There is a JEE crash course in pure English and in also Hindi English batches available right now, where you will get trained properly. Second option, you also have the test series free of cost. Please register for the test series. There are around 5 to 6 tests around, but if you want more, obviously use the crash course. Third thing, if you are preparing for boards, there is complete board solutions which is available for you absolutely free of cost. Link is there in the description box below. Use that as well. Yep. And remember one thing, that you have to give in all your 100% for the second attempt. All your 100% for your second attempt. If you want, take a day off. Don't do anything today. It's okay, perfectly fine. Just stay calm today. Be positive. Please don't think negative. Your life is worth more than anything in this world, and only your parents, your close ones can understand it. So please, 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 for God's sake, for my sake, for your sake, for anybody's sake, please think about you. Don't think about any negative thoughts. Okay, I'm going to see you for the next level of preparation. Okay, so please guys, stay safe, stay healthy, be mentally stable, and also please don't be angry. Please don't hate yourself or hate anyone. Okay, let's spread love. Let's work even harder for the next attempt. Let's accept that yes, the competition only has become hard. Okay, so if you are with me, are you ready to restart? Are you ready to restart? Let me know in the comments by putting up the comment restart. Let's put a comment restart if you're ready to restart actually, because I know it is very sad to see these results. By the way, I think the application has again started. Results site has opened. It was not opening right now. It has just opened up. You can check it out. So I will say bye-bye for now, but I'll be again coming back. Obviously, you need my help. You need my support. I'll be there. Don't worry, guys. I'm really, really sad. Trust me, but I'm not lost hope. I'm going to restart. Okay? I'm going to restart. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista. Captain Shreyas signing off.